While you may be able to change this out without safely raising and supporting the vehicle, I recommend you take the extra time and first lift and support the car. Begin by draining the oil, green arrow, before you attempt to remove the sender, red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Use a flathead screwdriver and separate the wiring connection from the sender, red arrow. Next, use a T30 torque and remove the 3 screws holding the sender in place and indicated by the red arrows. Lower the sender out from the oil pan. Use care, as even though you have drained the oil, some additional oil will escape. If you are reinstalling the old sender, you must replace the O-ring. The new sender will come with a new O-ring already installed. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the bolts to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Do not forget to fill the motor with oil and check the level. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.